Welcome to the online training for Trimble's EC-CAD sheet metal. In this session, we're going to look at utilizing the routing preference to draw a duct. In the previous session, we set up a catalog and set up a routing preference, and we're going to use that routing preference. So to do that, you're going to come up to your home ribbon and select duct. Once you select duct, everything else will be set up in your palette, and you'll see it change here. So here you'll come in here and you can set up the system type. So you have a pull down here for what duct system you want to run. I'm going to run supply. I'm going to utilize the routing preference we set up in the previous session, and I'm going to run 24 by 12 duct. You always want to have the specified cut length to know, because we're going to control the duct length based on the connectors and using the duct break command. Here's the elevation, and right now I'm holding my duct by the center, but as you can see, you can hold that duct by any location. I'm just going to go ahead and default to center here. Everything else we do is controlled here into the properties palette. So to go ahead and start drawing the duct, you just simply click down and you can start dragging with your cursor. And you'll notice the blue field. I have my dynamic input turned on, so if I want this duct to go 10 foot, I can just type in 120 and enter, and now I'm ready to maybe turn the corner here, and it's going to automatically insert the elbow I selected. I'll go ahead and do it one more time. If we want to put a transition in, we're going to come over here and we're just going to change the size, and it's going to automatically insert that transition for us at that location. Now if we want to change elevations, I'm running at 10 foot. I want to come up to 15 foot elevation. I just come to the properties palette, type in 15 foot, enter, and that's created my riser going up for me. I'm going to now say maybe I want to change my fitting to a radius elbow. So to do that, I'm going to come back down here and go to my fitting settings. Now when you click on the fitting settings, that's going to bring another pop-up menu where you can change and make your selection set to a radius elbow in lieu of a rectangular square throat elbow. It takes it a second or two for that to pop up, but then once it's up, you'll be able to make that switch. And so that's popped up now, so we're going to come back here and we're going to go to our rectangular duct. Now we're going to go to our elbow here, and I'm going to click onto that, and I'll get my selection list. Now I'm going to select my radius elbow and click OK, and now I'm able to run my radius elbow. And we'll go ahead and enter with that. Now once you close your entry, it's going to go back through here using our duct break command and using our auto tag. It's going to tag all the ductwork with all the correct information and break it into its fabricatable sections. So that's how you can start routing your ductwork using the routing preference and your properties palette.
We hope you enjoyed this video. See what's next in our product tips playlist, or visit mep.trimble.com for even more product resources.